Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, early summer grafting. While most grafting techniques use dormant scions in late winter or early spring, we'll explore how to achieve successful results with green scions during the warmer months. Single bud grafting using the whip technique on citrus trees. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about early summer grafting, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening content. Until next time, happy grafting!